Hello everyone, welcome to Anu classes. Today we are going to talk about market structure. There are two type of market structure. One is perfect competition and another one is imperfect competition. First we are going to talk about perfect competition. It refers to a market condition where there are large number of buyers and sellers dealing in a homogeneous product at a price fixed by market force. In this market competition, seller normally earn normal profit. For example, if you go to a vegetable market and inquire about price of potato from a shopkeeper, he quotes rupees 10 per kilogram. Few more shops quotes the same price. Hence, we make following observation: there are many buyers and sellers in potato market. All shopkeepers are selling. There is a product homogeneity. Feature of a perfect competition. First, large number of buyers and sellers. In perfect competition, there is a large number of buyers and sellers compete among themselves due to large number of buyers and sellers where they influence demand and supply in market. The second one is the commodity is homogeneous. Homogeneous is similar in quality. One cannot differentiate to one and another. For example, cement steel. Another the third feature of a perfect competition is firm can enter or exit the market. The another one is identical price. Identical price is price will be the same. Perfect competition is a price taker. Price taker it means price fixed by the market and they all accept ongoing price in the market. Next we are heading towards imperfect competition. Imperfect competition is a competition in which there are many sellers but they all sell heterogeneous product. Hence, seller earn a product more than normal profit. And feature large number of buyers and seller which sell product differentiated product and there will be a price maker. Price maker is ये खुद से डिसाइड प्राइस का करते हैं. द सेलर इन दिस मार्केट विल डिसाइड देयर own price and they usually decide the price by their own comfort. The another one is a monopoly. Monopoly means single seller. Only one seller sell their product with no close substitute. The example will be railway, defense, Hindustan Aeronautics, nuclear power. In monopoly, there is no close substitute like टी का क्लोज सब्सिट्यूट कॉफ़ी होगा, कोका कोला का पेप्सी. वैसे ही मोनोपोली डज नॉट हैव एनी ऑफ क्लोज सब्सिट्यूट. फीचर ऑफ monopoly, there will be only one seller and large number of a buyer. The second one is no close substitute. जैसे टी के कॉफ़ी होगा या फिर कोका कोला का पेप्सी, वैसे इसमें कोई भी क्लोज सब्सिट्यूट नहीं होगा. Another one is barriers in entry and exit. In monopoly market, there will be restriction in entry and exit of the market. Last one is a price maker. Monopoly. In monopoly, seller decide their price by their own and they are free to decide their price. Another competition is monopolistic competition. It is defined as a market situation in which there are many firms selling close related but unidentical products. For example, if you go to buy a Colgate and it is not available in the market, then you can use Pepsodent. Some more example I am going to quote is detergent, automobile and soft drinks. The features of a monopolistic competition is large number of buyers and sellers. The monopolistic competition includes large number of buyers and sellers. And another one is differentiated products. It means differentiated product is a product in which a buyer can differentiate product in terms of size, quality or color. For example, soap, Colgate and teeth. Selling cost in monopolistic competition, Sellers say close substitute product resulting into expenditure on sales promotion. They need to spend on advertisement and promotion activities in order to increase sales and in order to earn more and more profit. Freedom of entry and exit. There will be no restriction in entry and exit in monopolistic competition. The last one is oligopoly. Like it is it is defined in the oligopoly uh, meaning that oligis means a few and a polyan means to sell. It is a situation in which there is a number of firms producing homogeneous or close substitute product. कुछ फर्म्स होने के कारण कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन देखने को मिलता है ओलिगोपोली मार्केट में. इसके एग्जांपल है ऑटोमोबाइल, एयर ट्रैवल, मोबाइल कंपनीज like Apple and Samsung. Features of oligopoly is a few seller. In this market structure, a large number of firms dominate the market of the commodity. They are more than two or less than perfect competition in number. Homogeneous or differentiated product. In oligopoly, different sellers engage in an industry may produce homogeneous or differentiated product. In case of a homogeneous product, it is called pure oligopoly, and in case of differentiated product, it is called differentiated oligopoly. The third one is interdependent. Interdependent is under oligopoly. Sellers are interdependent in respect of a decision making. Means if X seller is changing their price, then it will eventually affect the price of Y seller. Fourth features of oligopoly is price rigidity. It is found in oligopoly as firms are closely related to each other. When price is decided by seller, then no one wants to change it. For example, if any firm decrease the price for sales increase, competitor or rivals firm will also follow it. As a result, price war may rise in this market. The fifth one and the last one is a barrier in entry. Under oligopoly, a firm can earn supernormal profit in the long run due to the barriers in entry. Thank you. If you are liking my channel, that is Anu Classes, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.